Wow. That's a fish. That's a tank. I'm out here today with South Jersey fisherman, aka Mark. This is his Subaru Crosstrek, new car. We're about to go out to the beach, try to get some sharks. He's been out there the past week or two, been catching a whole bunch of sharks. I saw his videos he posted. I was like, dang, dude, I gotta get out and get some. We're gonna try it out tonight. Here's my shark fishing setup for the day. I didn't actually have any shark rigs at the moment, so my friend Mark lended me a rig. I have a 50-pound test shock leader, 1 foot of shock leader, up to another swivel, which is where I have my 5-ounce weight fish finder rig, and then basically a double haywire twist all the way down to a circle hook. I got the big head on there. We got a fish on! We got a fish on here. Oh my God, that drag is going crazy. Oh, holy crap. Oh. This your first shot? Oh yeah, this is big, dude. Holy crap. He just started going and going. The drag was about to wear the f out. Dude, it's nice, bro. It's nice. Really awesome. He's heavy. Yeah. But he's not big. I don't even know what it is. But I think it's a shark because the way it ran. That's what's up. Dude, that got my heart racing. Oh! He's not done. Yeah, no, not there. He felt that bank. Ah, I'm gonna turn your ass. So welcome to the Woo! We're out here. Southeast winds, 8 miles per hour. Water temp is absolutely unquestionable. I don't know what it is right now. It's actually really warm. I was looking earlier. Jeez, dude, jeez. His big ass rod was just going off. He has a whole flounder head. Wow, this is crazy. I see him. It's a shark. It's a shark. Just don't grab the line. It's light. Just grab his tail. He's going. Uh-oh. Grab him. Oh, yes. That's a dusky, no? That's a dusky, bro. Is that a dusky? Wow. I think it is because its dorsal fin isn't lined up with its side fin.
Yeah, dude. Freaking same shit as we have.
What they use for bait?
What'd you guys use? Bunker?
Bunker, yeah, like about 3/4 or like almost half of it. Dang. Son of a gun.
Watch your line.
He's going back safe. Oh, we got a fish on. Oh, big shark. Yeah, buddy. Oh. He doesn't want to come in. Something good. My rod was getting dragged through the sand. I just saw it laying there, getting all types of messed up. I had to save it. My drag was freaking peeling. Holy crap. These fish are strong, man. It's nothing like anything in the world. These fish are crazy. These fish are insane. You really gotta play them. They'll break your line, no problem. I gotta keep steady pressure on them so the hook doesn't pop out. But he's big. Big, no doubt. Not sure what it is at this moment. Ooh. Is he gonna show teeth or not?
Maybe not. Probably not. He wants to fight though.
Yeah, he's strong, man. He is strong. The hook's in there too.
Yeah, you're gonna have to grab it while I hold him.
Oh yeah, I can see it. We're gonna get him out.
Nice size. Female. Real nice size, actually. Come here, baby.
Stand back a little bit.
Yep. Bird. Yeah. Oh, his top teeth are out. Oh, yeah.
Let's send her back.
All right.
So far, all of these fish have been on the body chunks of the Manhattan shad, aka bunker. The head has been sitting out there and it hasn't gotten any attention. Just the body pieces have been going off. But I gotta rig up again. One of my lines got cut off from something. So Mark's out there kayaking out again. It's pitch black now. The action should actually heat up now that it's dark. We'll see. Fish on! Dang.
Is he there?
Yeah, he's here. I have mono on this, John.
Oh, geez.
Damn, that thing.
Sunfish hooked up again.
That's a 6,000 and it's almost spooled.
That's crazy.
Yeah. The power, man.
Although you're known for not listening to your drag go off.
I didn't even know it was going off for a minute. Yes. That's the one I'm looking for, man. Can you get some cell phone pictures?
Yeah. Let me go get my phone.
Good shit.
Here, you want to take this hook out first?
Yeah.
I definitely feel like I have a little bit of shark rash.
No doubt about that, man.
Wearing shorts.
Oh, right there, dude. Okay, I can get it. Awesome. Came right off.
Nice brown shark or sandbar. He's actually.
Oh, dude, that's a nice one.
She's about 4 foot, I'd say.
Here, dude. Thank you.
Yeah, dude.
Last one. Alright, she's ready to go. She or he?
It's a she.
Word.